You know what's funny? You can get 10 compliments in a day, but if a one person says something negative, that one line just keeps running in your head on a loop. Happened to you, right? It's not that we want to remember the bad stuff. Our brain is just wired that way. Psychologists even gave it a name, negative bias. Basically, negative comments hit harder than the positive ones. Like your brain is like, oh, this one is dangerous, let me keep it safe forever. And honestly, it makes sense. If you think about how humans live long back, if you forget a compliment, no big deal. But if you forget a threat, like which fruit was poisonous or where a tiger was hiding, well, game is over. So, yeah, your brain evolves to overreact to bad stuff just to keep you alive. The problem is in 2025, the threats are not tigers, they are random Instagram comments. So, now let's talk about how to handle it. First, balance it out. Say you posted a picture, 50 people said, so pretty, looking cute, but there's one cousin wrote, filter lagaya hai kya? And that's all you remember. In that moment, write down those three nice comments. Force your brain to see that instead, rather than thinking about that bad comment. Now, the second one is reframe the criticism. Imagine your teacher says your presentation was boring. Instead of sulking, reframe it. Like, okay, maybe I need to add more examples or speak with energy. Boom, it becomes feedback. Now compare that to some random troll commenting you are cringe. That's not a feedback. That's just a noise. There is a big difference in both of the scenario. Now the third thing that you can do is context check. Let's be real. If your best friend says, "You have been ignoring me lately," that stings, but it matters. You'll fix it. But if some random guy on Insta says you look ugly, bro, this person doesn't even know you. Why are you giving them a free rent in your brain? So, context is everything. Last and final, don't fight your brain, trick it. Like yesterday, one negative comment popped in my head while I was brushing my teeth. Instead of arguing with it, I literally laughed and said, "Thanks, brain, but you sound like a toxic YouTube comment section right now." And it instantly lost power. So it is as simple as it sounds. So yeah, the next time one person ruin your mood, just remember, if 9 people call you awesome and one call you weird, maybe you are just awesomely weird, and that's a flex. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.